Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TIA. TIA has formed another rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and right now you can see it is testing the support of this wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 18% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD pattern, which was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see I shared this idea on 19th of December. And this was the complete trade setup, by the way. This was the buying zone, this was the sell target zone, and this was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone here. And so far it has produced almost 18% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern. And by the way, I shared this idea on 27th of November 2023. That was a Gardner pattern formed with US dollar pair on the daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup, buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss as well. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that this time price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone. And this was more than 182%. Very, very massive pump on this daily time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that was formed with Bitcoin pair and I shared this idea on 24th of November. And you can see this move was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started another very nice reversal, and this was more than 11% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if I would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TIA, and this is the daily time frame chart. And by the way, previously I have been showing you this breakout from this symmetrical triangle that was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. Let me to show you that triangle as well. And you can see that after the breakout, the price then tested this support of the triangle here, again moved up and tested the previous resistance of the triangle as support here. Then we had a very, very massive rally. And now, recently we have formed another very, very big a rising wedge pattern. You can see that since after 13th of November, it is moving. In fact, from here, from 11th of November, it is moving inside this rising wedge pattern. We got rejection here, got rejection here, got bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection. And now the price is again dropped down at the support of this wedge. And also moving above this quite significant support of $10.80 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance and now it is breaking as a support for the price line. And after that, the next major resistance will be here at $15. And in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out $15 resistance and also the resistance for this rising wedge pattern as well. Now, if we take a look at the targets, by the way, the target for the breakdown can be here quite down at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at $3.15. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout, then the target for this breakout from this rising wedge pattern can be here. By the way, it depends from where it will break it out. For example, if we will have a breakout from here from $19.70, then the target can be here. That will be approximately at $37.80. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.